This is my 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The oil pressure sensor has gone out, and it is a common problem with the 99 to 2004 Grand Cherokees. It's a very easy fix. Going to have to replace it with this part number right here. Got a lifetime warranty on that part, so let's go ahead and replace that. Okay, the best way to change out the oil pressure sensor is to take off this oil filter here. There we go. Alright, clean this area up really good. Now that you've got your oil filter off, the sensor you're looking for is right there, right above it. Mine is a bit twisted, so it's going to be really hard to get that red clip unclipped. So once you got that red clip undone, it's going to slide right off and you can unbolt it. Okay, I use this little hook here to get that red tab undone. Now it should just come off of here easily. There we go. Kind of get that out of your way. Alright, so I'm using a 1 1/16 inch socket here. It's a very large socket. I had to buy it specially. There we go. It's coming off of here pretty easily for me. There it is. So, let's go ahead and get this dirty old one out. Clean that area up before we put the new one in. Okay, by looking at this old one, you can see that it doesn't bolt all the way down. It only goes to about halfway, right around there. Okay, as you're looking at this new one here, it's got some red material in the threads there. That's going to be some thread locker, and that's going to prevent it from leaking. Let's go ahead and put this up in here. Not wanting to fucking thread. There we go. Alright, now that you got that on there, let's go ahead and bolt it down. Tighten this up a little bit more by hand. Alright. You don't have to put it on there super duper tight, just get it on there good. Perfect. Now I put it with the tab facing downwards, so it's going to be really easy to access that red tab again if I ever have to replace this again. So this is the red tab I was talking about. It just kind of pops out to the side. It's pretty easy. Can be difficult, but it's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and plug this back in now. Give it a good shake, make sure it's in there. Push that red tab back in there firmly. Bam. And that is good to go. Let's go ahead and put the new filter on there and fill it back up with oil. Just gotta get that on there hand tight, and that is done. Now that my oil pressure's back up, I feel comfortable taking a long road trip.